Hey guys, what's going on today? It's your favorite YouTuber for Scarborough. It's Marlon Shaw. As usual, I say my name like this. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna get to the right correction of doing that. But anyways, today we have the M5 behind us. And we're changing up the single slotted grills. These are the I guess the older generation from 13 and from I guess what was it from 2010 no 11 to 13 they had this grill on the M5s, F10s, and then for the 14s and up we got this guy. So we're putting a double slot. Thank you Next Mod for helping us out, and we're going to remove this, but we're going to remove this different way. Watching a few YouTube videos, and all of them is like remove clips here, blah 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 blah. But yo, we're going to try something because it worked for him, and I tried it a little bit and it already came out. So I'm going to show you guys what exactly we're doing. This is going to be the quickest do-yourself video, and I should state it. This is hey guys, this is Marlon Shaw M5 grill removal and then installation of the new ones. This is the video. Hold the camera, buddy. I'll show you guys how to do this shit. So we're gonna keep our hands. These are the tools we're using. It's the hands, the 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. We're gonna use our hands, shove into the grill, and yank out. Look, guys. I'm gonna break the wrist and walk away. Watch this, guys. Break the wrist and walk away. Done. This is the easiest do-it-yourself video that you can do. I don't know about other cars or anything else, but this is the most easiest video. You gotta go a little higher. This is the easiest video I've done so far. But I think, nah, that's alright. You don't need to clean that shit. Fuck it. We're gonna install this one. So this video is gonna be the shortest one, and it's gonna be the greatest one because we got our new slots. The only thing we're missing is the proper area of the M5 grill placement, or the badge. We don't have it yet, so we're gonna have to wait for it. For this one, it's not gonna be as easy. We're gonna have to probably put a little more pressure into the pushing of this, but it's gonna make the car look really nice. Just go side to side. Don't worry, guys. Oh my god, I got stuck. In. Ooh, I forgot to do the comparison, so we'll do that right now. This one is so easy. We're gonna keep these guys. Look at comparison, guys. The double slot grill looks way better than the single slot. I think it's a nice touch. As soon as we get the M badge, it's gonna make the car way better. What happened? Oh, I thought you'd something about the camera. I don't know if I'm gonna put the color combination in here. I don't think it will work out.
Fuck that.
Yeah, probably fuck that. The wifey loved this shit, but we are changing the car after a year of ownership, guys. We are changing it up, and now we're gonna do some good stuff to the car. We're gonna do the tune next, hopefully, and yeah. So we're gonna install this bad boy. And this is gonna probably be it for the BMW do-yourself videos until we figure out something else. Maybe the spark plugs. We're gonna do those very shortly. I'm gonna do the same thing, guys. Line it up with the clips. We're gonna go slowly, side to side. Just use my hand because I don't have a ring finger on it. Slap it in there. I was gonna do carbon fiber. Carbon fiber was so expensive, and I didn't want to spend that much money right now because I'm spending a lot of money on another vehicle that we have, and yeah. So that is pretty much it, guys. So, Dude, what do you think about them, bro?
I love it. The gloss black look really makes satin finish on the car pop out.
Exactly. From the flat finish or the
flat finish, you don't really see it. It looks like a matte kind of thing.
More aggressive, guys. The BMW is looking so more aggressive. We're gonna do a quick walk around, sorry. And I think that's it for the video. You know, the tuning is the next thing we're gonna do with this car. The taillights look really good. This car is starting to look good after 13 months of ownership. So a little slow, but hey, the car is looking good. But anyways, guys, we're gonna do one more do-it-yourself video, so you're gonna see me the same clothes again. Don't worry, I'm not nasty. Change my clothes and shit like that once a year. So stay tuned for that next video, because we're gonna do something with the Godzilla. if anybody has any do-yourself problems, we're gonna do something on that very shortly. And we're gonna show you some cool things about that too. We're gonna show you the stash spot where you can keep your shit. I don't keep anything there, but it's a good stash spot for any of the people that want to put shit there. But anyways, guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you for everything. And Nugent, we're gonna say
thank you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned to the channel.
peace.